In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the squarespace.com from your Squarespace site URL, making it clean and professional. This simple tweak can significantly enhance your website's appearance and make it more memorable to your visitors. Whether you're branding your business or streamlining your personal site, follow these steps to achieve a customized domain that represents you or your business perfectly. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Squarespace. You can do this by typing squarespace.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various options, but for now focus on finding and clicking the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Squarespace account and making those important changes to your site. After clicking login, you'll be presented with different sign-in methods. For ease and simplicity, let's choose continue with Google. This option allows you to sign in seamlessly using your Google account, so you don't have to remember another set of login credentials. Just click on continue with Google and proceed to the next step. Now you should see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you use to register with Squarespace. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one that's associated with your Squarespace site. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website's backend, where all the magic happens. You can easily get there by visiting the Squarespace account dashboard. Look for a link that says go to your website, or simply visit https://account.squarespace.com/. This will take you directly to a list of websites you have with Squarespace. Find the site you want to change the URL for and click on it. Upon clicking on your site, you might notice the Squarespace URL still in the address bar. To start the process of customizing this, you'll need to access your site's settings. On your website overview page, there's an arrow at the top right corner. This little icon is your next click target. Although it might seem small, it plays a crucial role in getting you to the right place. By clicking on the arrow, you'll be taken directly to your site's management area. It's here you can really start to personalize your site, including changing the URL to remove the squarespace.com. Although these steps provided a guide, the essence of transforming your Squarespace URL lies beyond just navigation. It involves entering the settings where you can manage your domains. Typically, you'd proceed by purchasing a new domain directly through Squarespace or transferring an existing one. This action replaces the default squarespace.com URL with a customized domain, enhancing your website's professionalism and brand identity. Remember, having a custom domain not only elevates your online presence, but also contributes significantly to your branding and search engine visibility. By following the steps I've outlined, you're on the right path to polishing your website's image, making it more appealing and accessible to your intended audience. To wrap up, regardless of the specific features and functionalities of your site, removing the squarespace.com part of your URL is a vital step in establishing a strong, memorable online presence. Take your time to explore Squarespace's domain options. Choose a domain that best fits your brand and enjoy the benefits of a sleek, professional-looking website URL. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you in creating a more branded and cohesive web experience for your visitors. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on enhancing your online presence.